why don't you tell me what time you got here?
About 10 o'clock Friday night.
And where are you coming from?
Fort Plain, New York.
Fort Plain. And how many is your first Countryfest?
No, sir.
How many have you been to?
3 or 4.
And which one's your favorite so far?
Probably 2 years ago, I'd have to say.
All right, there you go. Thanks a lot, man. All right. How far did you come from?
Pittsfield, Mass, brother.
There you go. Is it your first Countryfest?
Oh.
All right, what's your name?
Alex Schmidt.
Alex Schmidt. And what time did you get here today?
About 6.
6 o'clock this morning. And where are you coming from?
Rotterdam.
And is this your first Countryfest?
My second.
Second Countryfest. There we go. Thank you very much, man.